How to add yourself to any photo. In today's video, I will show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add yourself to a photo. You can add as many people as you like, to any place that you want. This is absolutely free, and it works for both iOS and Android. So let's start. The first thing that you need to do is download PicsArt if you don't have it on your device. I will put the download links in the description. Once you downloaded PicsArt, open it and import the first photo. Import the photo where you want to add yourself. I want to add a person to the Golden Gate Bridge, so I'm going to import that one. Now scroll down and find the Add Photo button and click it. And from your gallery, select the photo where you are, or whoever you want to add in the photo. Here is the second photo, and we need to make a cutout of this girl. So select the Cutout button from the toolbar. Select Outline, and select the girl from the photo. Now if the selection isn't perfect, we can restore or erase parts of the girl by using the tools from the bottom. And you can use the preview to have a better image of the girl. Now you can do the fine-tuning, restore or delete parts of the photo until it is perfect. And when you are happy with your selection, just click on the Save button. And the last step is to choose the size and the position. We can make the photo bigger or smaller by clicking on this button here, and just position the photo where you want in the frame. If you are happy with your edits, just click on Apply, and you can save the photo. Or you can add more people or objects with this method. So that's it. That is how you add yourself or anyone else in a photo. If this video was helpful, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.